Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this peace dove in origami. The most interesting thing about this model is that besides being beautiful, it can also flap its wings. So it's not just a model, it has movement. And the best part is that it's easier than it looks. The only material you need is a square piece of paper, which can be any size you want. Our first step is to fold the paper in half, vertically and horizontally. After that, we flip the paper over and fold it in half along both diagonals. We flip it over again, and using the creases we made, we are going to bring all four sides to the center, closing it like this, leaving two flaps on each side. Just reinforce the folds a bit. And as I showed before, we have two flaps on each side. But for this model, we need to leave 3 on one side and 1 on the other. I'm going to leave 3 flaps on the right side and 1 on the left. Now, just on the top layer, we are going to fold this diagonal. To do that, bring the bottom side up to the left diagonal edge. This will leave us with some extra paper here in the center. We are going to flatten that down, aligning the center crease with the fold we just made. Then we go to the other side and repeat the same thing. Once that's done, we're going to fold this right flap along the edge of the last fold we made. Unfold that, flip the paper over, and to make the next step easier, let's reinforce the crease from this side too. Now, pay close attention. We're going to open the paper, and then reverse this flap along the lines we just made. After reinforcing the creases, we close the paper and with that we get this reversed flap. To create the head detail, first we are going to fold the paper like this just to make a reference crease. Then unfold it and repeat the previous step, reversing this tip as well. You can leave it like this, but I think looks better if you fold part of the tip inside, creating a small gap that looks like the dove's beak. I think looks much better this way. On the other side, we are going to fold down this corner. I like to fold it down till it's straight, like a triangle shape. Then we can unfold it, open the paper in this part. You can also reinforce this crease here. And then fold this part over the dove's body. And with that, our origami is ready! To make it flap its wings, just hold the ends on each side and gently pull the paper. Depending on the kind of paper used and how patient you are, the result can look even better. But that's the idea. I hope you liked this video, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time!